Hey there, it's Erica, and today we're going to be making cold brew in a French press. Now, one of the main reasons that people choose cold brew over hot brew is that cold brew tends to be smoother and less acidic tasting. Okay, to make cold brew in a French press, all you need is coffee, water, a spoon, and of course a French press. I personally like to use coffee beans roasted by my dad, but he doesn't sell them to the public, so I suggest selecting a darker roast. Using a dark roast can actually cut back on the acidic taste even more. You'll want to grind your coffee beans coarsely. If you don't own a grinder, you can always purchase your coffee from a grocery store that has a grinder that allows you to adjust the grind size. Or you can purchase from a coffee shop and ask them to grind the coffee coarsely. Okay, place 1 ounce of coarsely ground coffee in the French press. Pour 1 cup of cold or room temperature water over the coffee. Stir everything well. Place the lid on without plunging it down and set aside for 10 to 20 hours. You could stir everything together the night before, and then it will be ready for your iced coffee in the morning. After the coffee has brewed for 10 to 20 hours, plunge the French press down. Now, I find that the French press filters out the coffee grounds nicely, but if you're finding that too many of the grounds get through, or you're getting some sludge at the bottom of your cup, you can always strain the coffee through cheesecloth or a coffee filter. Pour the coffee over some ice, top with cream, cold foam or sweet cream, and you're good to go. Feel free to double, triple, or quadruple this recipe to fit your needs. Just remember, for every 1 ounce of coarsely ground coffee, use 1 cup of water and brew for 10 to 20 hours. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to check out this video next to learn how to make a cafe mocha at home without an espresso machine.